Hi vetmates, I'm Princess and today I am going to substantiate or explain some pharmacological facts about transmission in central nervous system. Classify the CNS transmitters and mention the main physiological functions of each one of them. The first one is excitatory neurotransmitters, which functions to activate receptors in the postsynaptic membrane and enhance the effects of the action potential. The second one is inhibitory neurotransmitter, which function to prevent an action potential. What are non-steroidal anti-inflammatory drugs? Discuss the mode of action and major pharmacological effect. Non-steroidal anti-inflammatory drugs are members of a therapeutic drug class which reduce pain, decreases inflammation, decreases fever, and prevents blood clots. Non-steroidal anti-inflammatory drugs worked by blocking the production of prostaglandins through the inhibition of 2-cyclooxygenase enzymes.